How's it going, everybody? It's been a minute since I posted any videos. Figured I'd come on here and give y'all an update. The flatbed is done. I didn't video any of it, except for that little bit I started with, cause there's a lot of tedious back and forth with stuff. So I just got it built, got it done. And this is the final product. It's about 6.5 foot long and it's right at 5 foot wide. So it's plenty big enough for what I need. As far as bed goes, if anybody's wanting to know what it's made out of, the main frame right there, which I don't know if you can see or not, is 5 by 3 by 1/4 inch wall rectangular tubing. It's got that piece right there, and the piece up there at the front is the same stuff. Then the side rail here and all of them, which I don't know if you can see them real good because everything's black. All these cross members right here is all the same stuff. It's 4 inch by 1/8 inch fabricated channel. It's not your regular channel. It's basically they took a piece of 1/8 inch flat steel and bent it into a channel shape. It's got, I used the original mount there and the original mount there, and I actually took the sway bar off of this thing a while back and I got it bolted there. Plus, as you can see, I have a winch mounted in here, and that's also kind of part of the bed mount too. It's a piece of 3 inch channel with 2 1/2 inch bolts running through it, and there's a 3/4 inch plate that the bolts go into, and it kind of clamps that in there. So I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Yeah, I got a really big winch. It's a 12,000 pound Apex winch. They say you got the same 1/2 inch bolts up there with the spacers to make it more of a solid mount, which I don't know if you can see the spacers over there, to make it more of a solid mount. And it's bolted to the A-arm frame right there, and it's also got 4 U-bolts that goes around that round tubing right there. So it's not hooked up yet. I gotta figure out the control box on it, because normally the control box sits on top of the winch, but for clearance purposes I took it off and I gotta relocate it, which it comes with a bracket and all that to relocate it. I just gotta figure out where to relocate it. I'm thinking about putting a plate right there on the front to mount the control box to. Of course, after everything's already painted, I'm gonna do some more welding on it, so go figure. And I don't know if y'all remember, but this wire right here was a little too short when I stretched the frame, so that's the new mount point for it. Drilled and tapped a hole for that to get mounted to. So it's just some small final touches I got to do, and then the winch will be ready. So it is a process for sure. I didn't video any of it. It's just a lot of times I just come out here for maybe an hour or two and didn't get really anything accomplished because I was trying to figure out and plan on how I was going to do stuff. But the actual deck itself is 1/8 inch plate, or sheet metal, whatever you want to call it. It's 1/8 inch thick, so everything on top and this back section's 1/8 inch steel. So it shouldn't go anywhere. I don't foresee it going anywhere. I did get the lights wired in. They work like they're supposed to. I got running lights and brake lights. Thinking about putting me some cargo / reverse lights up there on top of the roll cage, just under the roof right there, but we'll see. I got some reverse lights that look like them, like these lights, but they're white. I was originally going to put these on there, but I kind of changed my mind middle of everything. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about reverse lights slash cargo lights. But yeah, just figured I'd give y'all a little bit of an update. The plate in the middle is for another project I've got in the back of my mind. So as soon as I get the stuff for it, I'm gonna be working on it. But I just figured I'd jump on here and give y'all a little bit of an update. I know it's been a while. I'm still around, still trying to post videos when I can, but working full-time job, it's kind of hard to do. But I'll try to get some more videos out and keep y'all in the loop. So catch y'all on the next one. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, comment. Later, guys.